We all know that the plants and human beings are the best friends because they convert the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere to oxygen, and this process of conversion of carbon dioxide to oxygen is known as photosynthesis. As the name suggests that photosynthesis. Photo means the reactions that occur during the presence of light. In absence of light, these reactions does not occur. Along with photosynthesis, a simultaneous process also takes place, and that is called as respiration. What is respiration? Respiration is a process in which a plant makes its own energy. As we all require energy to work, right? Plants also require some energy. They make that energy from this respiration. During a respiration process, they absorb the oxygen and the sugars produced during the photosynthesis to make the energy they require. That means during the daytime, along with oxygen, they also produce carbon dioxide, but it was little when compared to the oxygen produced. So, during the night time, the photosynthesis was absent during the absence of light, but the respiration process continues. So, this is the reason why people say that don't sleep under a tree during the night time, because as no oxygen was produced from the tree, only carbon dioxide was produced, which is also harmful to us. If we inhale this carbon dioxide in larger amounts, it will be harmful for us. So, we should not sleep around a tree during the night time. But there is an interesting point to note that there were some plants that produced oxygen 24 hours round the clock. Particularly, let's discuss about one plant, and that is Tulsi or holy Basil. This plant produces 24 hours oxygen throughout its life. A quick fun fact about Tulsi. We can use the leaves of Tulsi to make tea, which is used to get weight loss and reduce our anxiety levels. Now let's know more about this plant Tulsi. A group of researchers from the Central University of Punjab have found that this plant originated from the north central part of the India, and this plant was mostly seen in the most parts of the Asia like India and Thailand. If we observe the structure of the Tulsi, it has more stems originating from the main stem, and it was short to see. That means it is a shrub. Tulsi had a broad spectrum antimicrobial properties, like it can be used as a hand sanitizer, it can be used for mouthwash, and it can be used as a water purifier, and it also can be used as a preservative. Not one thing, we can do many things with the leaves and stems, and every part of the Tulsi can be used to do something. And it is also considered as the best medicine of the Ayurveda. Try this trick. If you are suffering from cold, just take some leaves from the plant, wash it and eat it directly, or else boil it in water and filter it and take it as a... In Ayurveda, the Tulsi plant is also called as an incomparable thing and the mother medicine of all herbs. And there are different types of Tulsi available on this planet. According to an online source, there are 18 Tulsi plants, in which 5 types of Tulsi was found in India. And in this video, let's focus on 3 types of Tulsi. They are Rama Tulsi, Vana Tulsi and Krishna Tulsi. First, let's discuss about Rama Tulsi. Rama Tulsi is also called as green leaf Tulsi, and it has a bigger leaves when compared to the other variants of the Tulsi. And it also leaves a clove-like scent and has a mellow flavor. Now let's discuss about Krishna Tulsi. Krishna Tulsi is also called as purple leaf Tulsi because if we observe the leaves of the Krishna Tulsi, it has a purple leaves, and it is also having a clove-like scent and tastes like pepper in your mouth. In this type of Tulsi, it helps to cure the infections such as throat infections and respiratory problems, etc. The oil from Krishna Tulsi is also used for making of ear drops. Vana Tulsi, it has more resistance to atmospheric changes, and it also has a lemony aroma and flavor. Vana Tulsi leaves increases the immunity, and this is usually used for preparing of tea. When it is consumed in the form of tea, it increases the oxygen in our bloodstream. Now let's come to the main question. How can Tulsi plant can give oxygen 24 hours? The answer to this is these plants follow a particular mechanism called Crassulacean acid mechanism, or else it can be called as CAM photosynthesis. During this process, the stomata of the plants will be remain closed during the daytime to reduce trans evaporation, but they will be open during the night time to absorb the carbon dioxide around them, and this carbon dioxide will be converted to chloroplast, and this chloroplast can be used during the daytime. So this Tulsi plant can give 24 hours oxygen. Tulsi plant also have a high nutritional values like vitamin A and C, calcium, zinc, iron and chlorophyll. Just by growing a small plant of Tulsi gives a more benefits. Just by watering to it, you can grab all the benefits that were given by this plant. Hey all, if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click that bell notification so that you don't miss a notification whenever I post an update. So by then, bye Captain, but don't forget to plant a Tulsi plant in your home. It is good for you and the environment. Signing off, namaste, bye.